Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix payment decline on Amazon. So let's begin. First, go to the official website. Make sure you are logged in into that appropriate account. Then you can just go ahead and on the search bar, look for customer service. All right, click on the first option. You can even chat with this Rufus AI. But we need to click on payments, charges, or gift cards. Click on payment decline. Now read this message carefully so that you will know proper expectations and any information they would like you to prepare beforehand. And then once you've done that, just click on I need more help. We have a chat option for customer service. If it's available, then go ahead, proceed. But if it's not, you do have the option for a phone call. Click on connect, and over here, enter your phone number, and customer service will call you in a few minutes or throughout the entire day. So this will get resolved immediately or within 24 hours. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.